Good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back to today's class, day number 14 of our batch. So now, what we are going to be discuss, that is a little crucial point. Okay, take example that you join a company, and you need to be signed a NDA, non-disclosure agreement, and you join a company and you get an offer letter. Now, if you speak about the offer letter or the NDA, few things are common in both the documents. Specifically NDA. NDA is almost same for every employee, right? Sorry. NDA is almost same for all the employees. Offer letter also same, but address, employee name, salary, and few things get changed. Now the question come, how this thing get created in ServiceNow? Like you submit some request and you got a PDF format. Please download and sign it and send it. Do you think that there is someone sitting in the background who is creating these documents every time for everybody? And are they showing the local copies? No. This concept is called the HR document template. Templates. Means, number one, these templates are different than the HR templates. Number one, this is specifically for the documentation purpose. HR templates are used to create the case, to populate the value. But these are the documents which we used. Sorry, these are the templates which we use for the documentation purpose, to create a runtime documents as well. So there are the two types of documents. One is HTML, one is PDF. HTML is something that the data get filled as per the user and then get generated. PDF is something which is editable PDF shared by HR to you, like to provide your bank details in a format, your pension details, previous pension details, or might be your nominees kind of stuff. Those are the PDF one, which you put the information in the editable PDF, you submit it or upload it, then ServiceNow read that PDF and convert or pick up that values and put in the case or the different tables. The thing is that before Yokohama, this HR template module was available. There was a module called only HR document template was available. But in the Yokohama, it is getting depreciated. Means now that module is not available for the use. So ServiceNow introduced a new module called the document templates only, not HR document templates. And a new plugin need to be installed for the same. Now the thing is that when we talk about these things, these two things, these documents will get created in the HRSD application itself. It's not get created from the outside somewhere. Okay. So now we'll see that how this documentation will get created. So first is HTML type. Second is a PDF type. Different things. Both are the two different things. HTML will get generated when you enter your information, and then on the runtime it gets generated, and you get in your in it. Sorry, and you get this in your case. PDF is something pre-built but editable, shared by HR to you. You fill the details and you submit it. Also, two things are matter here: signature and digital signature. These two things are two different things. E-signature is something which is like a, what I can say, kind of a text as well, kind of a your PDF, sorry, image as well. No, sorry, it's opposite. E-signature is something which is like a saved electronic on a platform, and you just get it uniquely on your PDF. But digital signatures means it can be like your handwritten kind of things, which you go in the format and you just update it. We will discuss this part a little bit more. Also, sometimes what happened that I am the HR. I created one document. First, I will sign like offer letter. First, I will sign on behalf of my company and send it to the employee. Then employee will sign, and then the final copy gets generated with the both signatures. So this is a process. First, I will sign, then it go to employee will sign, then the final copy will get generated. Okay. Now the thing is that how this HR documents get created. Number one, I will say automatically, like on the case, you can create it. Second, when multiple signatures are required, then it get generated. Like on the web, like I was filling this thing, rent agreement for my tenancy here. I got a link from my agency. I signed that link. It's like a website only. Then it go to my landlord. My landlord sign it, and then we got a copy. Before that, it was not a PDF. Before that, it was just a kind of a link which we have to be signed. But as soon as we both sign, it can generate a PDF and send to both of us. And finally, something where you can preview and you can sign and you can save as well. Okay. This topic might be little complicated to join the dots, but let's understand, because when I did my training of HRSD, this concept was not there. Document templates. Sorry, this was there, but the plugin was little different. Now, as we are in the Yokohama release, so this plugin also get changed now. Now we will see that how to generate this, how to create this. So for this, number one, if you are in the Yokohama, you have to go and check the plugin. Let me show you the plugin here for that. Template. And this is what I installed it. Document template. And if you open this, you will find that it is for the HRSD purpose as well. Table of secure documents. This one, signature and all things will be there. Okay. Why not? It's not showing here, but yesterday when I saw it showing that for HRSD it can be used. Okay, generate standard letters and the documents like your NDAs. Now, how do we see this breakout, or what do we see here? Let's go back and search for the document templates, and you can see here. Now your document can be a different categories and can have a different blocks. NDA have a 5 blocks. Your social, your professional, data privacies. These are the blocks. So if let's see here, and you can see there's a 4 out of the box templates given by ServiceNow. Employee history, template for employee verification Canada, template for employee verification US, template for non-disclosure agreement. And this is on the case code table. And this is a PDF type. Because this is a standard one. Just sign it and send it. That's all. But this can get changed. In the NDA, you will not find anybody's name. You just have to be signed it, that's all. And the reason it is a PDF. But in the HTML format, you have to be give information, proper information. Like I said, offer letter. In offer letter, your name, your company name, your address, your company address, your salary, CTC, benefits, everything need to be defined.
So, sir, in PDF, it's not editable. It has to be just uploaded and signed and sent.
Signature it, yes, and upload it. You can do the e-signature, and that's all. It's a standard one. Okay. Now, if I click on this one, let's say all template for employee verification US. And you can see it is a HR format. Because it is given by service, not saying it's a medium risk, you cannot change and don't change it. And even though we are unable to, let me change the human resource. Scoping. Still not able to change. Good. Now let's try to create one simple template. But before that, if you see here, see categories, blocks. Do you have any categories given by service now? Only one, employment verification letter. So let's create one category first. That in which category it should be going. I can say LNG training. Let's say you are joining this batch and I want to be get your kind of a certificate I'm giving you. So I'm creating a template category. Save. Under that, if you want, you can create a template as well. That what this particular category will contain as a template. And now you can create it. Either you can create it from here or you can create it from here. Now, what is the blocks? Blocks are like the sections which you put on the PDF document. So as anybody is writing a good, anybody is writing a complete documentation. We are just putting the stuff together so that we can make a document together. And you can put it here. So like I say, LNG training. On which table I want to be go? I want to be go for the HR 4 case table. Let's take a simple one. For which topic this will be applicable? Topic means your COE under category wala topic. ये वो है. Let's see if I go here and let's say benefit. HR, this one. This is what we created, right? and you can put the description. And save. And under that, you can get the block contents again. Means applied to user. Let's go. And here you can put the body. Body means you have to create a structure now. LNG Pathshala order 100. Applies when? When this block should be showed or content should be showed in your offer letter. If location is US or if user joining on the manager level or vice president level. Applies to. Your user criteria. So either you can pick up this thing because both are not mandatory. Applies when with the condition, applies to with the user criteria. That this particular content is only applicable for the people who are from the US region. And then you can design the body. Body like this. Hi. I want to the person the case has been raised. And I can put up my fields here. Open for the subject person. Subject SU, this one. Hi subject person. Thanks for reaching out us. We are happy to add you in training. And here you can mention the service name. Sorry, it's not a business service. HR service. This one. And then you can see the language English and submit it. आपका एक content बन गया. So multiple content you can put it. ठीक है? Clear everybody till this point? Anybody doubt question till this point?
No.
Okay. Let's proceed further now. Okay. So now this has been done. Now let's come back here. Table of content. वो भी होता है. Every document must have a table of content. Like rent agreement, I just say, it is a table of content. Agency, owner details, tenant details, location, inventory, all the things. So we can create our table of content configuration as well. Default like this. By this way. List heading number like this, tab leader, dotted, and all the things will be there. Show the page number, all these things. Now let's little bit go back. Can we create our own table of content? Let's see what is different where we there. LNG training TOC. What type of you want? Default is a list view only. Numbering none. चलो इसको dotted लगता है ताकि थोड़ा सा change मिल जाए. Clickable means if you click, it should go to that particular section. Show page number, start numbering after the table of content, and then save it. Do we have anything on this particular part? Let's say any kind of a data list we can add it, which can be benefited. Nothing much is there. So now let's cancel this, come back here and page number configuration. By default decimal, footer and center position we can say. Now by using this, let's create a template. First, we will create a template of the HTML type. This is the interceptor where you can click what type of document you want to create it. And now you have to put the details. LNG training offer letter. Table benefits. Category LNG 20. This is what we created. User criteria, where this should be applicable, up to you. Acknowledgement text, that what you send. Thank you so much for your this thing, and we here are the document attached for your reference. Table of content, LNG format. Page, which is default, we did not create anything. Start date for this particular, what I can say, for this particular the documentation.
The day when it will be effective.
Sorry?
The day when it will be effective.
This particular template will be affected. Okay. So I can put it this and end it like for a month. And now, sorry, if you scroll down a little bit more, during template language, I said no, it's English only. We'll come upstairs up as well. And then you can put image as well, like say header image. Following mandatory information, script body. Let me save this first. In which a table of content can be selected, but table of content is added in not added in the document. Please insert table of content. Okay. It's saying before you save, we said table of content is there, so we have to be insert. Okay, table of content. And in our table of content, we have a just nothing as of now. And it pick up the table of content, this one. Now let's try to put an image. Even though I saw this particular concept yesterday only when I was revising my notes, so I said, oh, this is not available. And then by this way, you can put the footer as well, footer image kind of things, text and all things you can put it, and the page numbers you can put. Any font and all things you can put it. Let's say save first. Now what it says, add block. What block we have? Do we create any block? We have, but yes, this one. So block search, okay, but why is not showing here to us? रुको ऐसे नहीं इसको ऐसे ढूंढते हैं. This one and insert. Block get inserted. So multiple blocks can be created as per the criteria, and the HR can create the blocks. Sorry, use the blocks in the template. If you want to create a new block, you can create it.
So blocks is like paragraph, like it's one section in that.
And yes, paragraph, or you can say like a different content As I said that in the ND you have a different you have different sections like security, privacy, assets, data privacy kind of stuff. So you have different paragraphs on that particular part.
So in one document, usually we have like multiple sections, like
Ah,
10 sections.
yes. So if you have the blocks, you can use it.
Okay.
Okay. Now if you want to insert the data as well, table of content and insert date. Which date you want to be insert? You can put the date as well here. So let's say I want to just put the this one ले लेते हैं चलो created date लेते हैं open date ठीक है open date ठीक. So once you all good here, you can preview it. Let's save first and then preview that how it will look like. Because it is a sample, so we have to see the case as well, which case we have to put down. Only one case for this particular type. So it will be like this. Table of content, date for today, hello, this is Mr. Zen, and this is becoming. It means whenever we want to be use this template, it will pick up the information of the case and populate the value here. And now you can view as a PDF. Because we don't have any big template here. So it will look like this only as of now, simple. So all this information means all these $1, these get auto populated on the basis of the case you are using it. And then if all good, you can publish it. One thing which is here, and you can see the PDF get generated automatically. I want to be edit this again. This is what I was missing. Participant. For whom it will be applicable. Who can use it? For whom it should be go out. LNG. Action. I want this document to be sent out and the signature need to be done. Order 100. Use template user. Preloaded with save data. कहां से data आएगा किसको भेजना है? I said it should be go to my subject person. Rest is all be there from the parent only. Document task template. Because you cannot send this document as it is to the user. You will create a task for that particular user and that will be showed in the user to-do list. So let's say I'm putting a task template for this. Because we did not create a task as of now. We did not work on the HR task as of now. So there's no template. So I'll put non-disclosure agreement task. And submit it. What this means? When you log a case, let's say you log a case for the fees reimbursement. Not for the fees reimbursement, the HR need your kids detail, their school detail, their grade detail. Okay. And it is a standard format for everybody. So when you log a case, a task will be get generated as defined in the services, and document will be sent it back to you, where you have to be sign it by putting your information. That is it is showing the task template. Again, task, as I said in my admin training and the ITSM as well. Task is the core content of HRSD, or not even HRSD, for the whole service now. If you want multiple parties to be involved, create a task. And this is what we're doing here now. So whenever any case will be created for this particular service and this particular category, then this document will get edited. As your HR, you want to sign it as well. Insert signature. We have only one thing, LLG subject. This is what we created just now. That participant need to be signed it. And now let's see a preview. But it's not showing the signature here. It will show the signature pad as well here. Might be we don't have a signature pad to be installed here. Okay. And now you can publish it. And your document is ready. To use this document, you have to raise a case. And that case must have a task, so that it should go to the user, or not the user, use on the right word, employee. And then it can work there. Okay. Now, when we talk about the signature part, let's see where's the case number we're using. Let's go to the here case, and that was the HR benefits. It's not this one. Let me go for the all. And MSK. This one. This is what we're talking, right? We're testing it. Because it just have nothing, no template has been used, nothing is been there. So, and move to the ready state. Then you can assign. I'm just checking, can we get the this thing created here? इसमें skills भी नहीं डाले हुए, ठीक है, no problem, that's fine. And work in progress. I doubt that we'll get the document here now. Close complete. नहीं, यहाँ पर नहीं आएगा document. I'm just checking it. Do we have any kind of here? नहीं, इसमें कुछ नहीं है, right? Leave it, no problem. ठीक है. So this is the way that you can create the HTML documentation, which pick up the data from the case itself and generate it for you. Now try to create one template, everybody, and create a case as well. But before you create a case, try to make a good case template first. Like if you see here, there's nothing much is there. A meaningful. Let's try to complete a life cycle of a case. Case creation form is done, that we know. Create the case, HR template. Create one HR task template as well. Sorry, task template we'll discuss. Create one HR template so that you can fill the details here like this. And try to follow the life cycle. Create a document. Try to add that document, the service you'll be using it. create any service with your name so that you can complete the life cycle. That is number one part. Number two part, when we talk about the e-signatures, e-signatures are not the same as the digital signatures. No. E-signatures can be your snapshot of your signature, which you let me say that I sign manually with pen and paper. I take a photograph and put in my laptop. I got a document and I put the e-signature and put that attachment or put that picture there as a signature. That is e-signature. Digital signature is something which is already embedded and you just use to bring that in your document. Like people who are from India, they know whenever you get your form 16 for the income tax return, when you open that, it go and check signature part. That are the digital signatures, which is embedded. But what I do, like I said, in my rent agreement, when I say rent agreement, I have to be sign it. Either I can with the draw it, there's options available, not a lot of things, options are available, or I can put browse it and I can bring my signature and put it there. That is a e-signature. So there is a difference between these two. Okay. Now what is the next part here? The next part is second option, PDF type. क्योंकि वो भी चाहिए हमें. We have to be send information. We have to send the format and then get the information from the employee. Or mainly the PDF types are used when we have to be submit those documents kind of things in the government agencies, like your pension, standard formats hai. Your PF, a standard format hai. Okay. So now what you can do for the PDF generation, PDF type document generation, we have the two ways. Either you can go here in the documents and click here, click new and PDF document template. You can create it. Okay. Or second is a concept called the managed documents. क्या था? नहीं. Wait. It's managed documents. Sorry. This one. You can create new. Now I will say, if you want to create a PDF document, better to use the document templates only, not this managed document. The reason can be because might be this also get depreciated very soon, as ServiceNow already giving the functionality to us in that particular part. See templates, you can see this one. This form and this form are the two different. Okay, so I'll say prefer to be go for this particular part if you're using the PDF one. As of now, I did not find anything on the documentation part that why there are two modules for the same purpose. If I talk about the my training notes, Then I read about this one, manage documents. But if I talk about the Yokohama perspective, then we have seen this thing as well. So first, let's discuss this part. If I go to the manage documents and I want to be created. Now, if I go back here, let's say owned by me. So now you can see non-disclosure agreement, intellectual property. We sign it, right? Signet dental claim form, beneficiary retirement form. Means these are those services where you need more detail from the user. And then you can pass this information in the service now and bring the data in the case format. Let's click here. LNG training PDF. Requested by this, honored by this. Who will review this? I said Anish, Anita, Rich. They are the reviewer for this one. For which department it is be applicable? This is applicable for the finance department. Because, but I'm HR. But I'm giving service to the different departments as well. So this is for the finance department. What type of document it is? It is a policy, it is a guideline, it is a procedure, it is a contract. Anish says, Anish join a company and say, I want to be know about the policy of the maternity and the paternity. So it is a policy, not the guideline. How to reimbursement, how to get the reimbursement of the travel. That is a guideline or the procedure. I am sending you the client side for a 1 month with the saying that it will be a kind of a deputation. You will get housing and everything will be there. That is a contract. So we can put it's a policy. So you can say the name format is showing as a policy. Revision is this. Auto increment the number. If you make changes, you can put it. Then classification. Is it public? Like sometimes NDAs are not public, confidential or restricted one. Or confidential or restricted. I can say it's a public. Audience. Internal or external? External like your contractors. Internal for your all employees. Okay. So now we'll put internal and description. LNG training PDF. Let's like put this and save. Now, what next? Now, what next? Tell me. You have to be upload. You can choose your PDF file here. I don't have anything in the PDF available as of now. Not this one. Do I have anything here for the PDF? Yeah. I have, but chalo ye dekh lete hain mid-server best practices. And okay. This time, this PDF document need to be. See, I cannot get the PDF in this service now. This PDF document need to be created using the Adobe PDF reader, Acropad. From there you can download and you can put it here. And now you can see it is went for the revision. समझे बात मेरी? Did you get my point or not? Say yes or no. I just put the charging on.
Do you mean to say that we have to create the PDF document first and then upload it for revision?
Yes. Because ServiceNow did not provide anything kind of a PDF generation in the document. Document generation in the PDF format directly.
Okay. There is no inbuilt functionality of PDF.
Correct.
Yes.
So you can buy Acrobat and then Acrobat PDF, then create your document, save it with the checkbox in and everything. It should be a editable kind of format if you want the information from the user, from the employee, and then you can put it here so that it should go for the revision. And now open this. And you can see this is what the document we have created. Notes, all good. And now submit for revision. Will it go for the approval as well? Generate to 1 year यहाँ पे approval should be get generated, I think. Waiting review. करते हैं इसको देखें. Okay, here it is. The approval get generated. किनको गया? The users which you put in the approvers. Approve. Now ready for publish. Update. Again open. Publish revision. You want to rename it? 2.0. Publish. And now you can use this document in your services to send to the customer, the users. Not customers or users, I'm saying, sorry, to the employees. Clear what till this point, anybody? And to, or might be what I can say, now let's go here, new PDF template. We can use, no, it is also going to document only, right? Must be populated before submit, yes. Same thing. Do we have any kind of a category? I'm just checking it. We have a PDF document for learning document created. I think there is some relationship with this. We're not able to get it. Okay, leave it this point as of now. Okay, because in the previous training is something different and now it's something different. So did not get confused here. Okay, so by this way, you can create your PDF documentation. And then you can use this PDF in your case to send it for a particular service. But did we use this for any service? ये तो बन गया. Are we using it for any service? Try to find out. PDF is get generated, but for which service it is be applicable? Definitely it should be applicable for any other service, right? If you go here, let's say owned by me, so you can see family security agreements, public guidelines kind of things. So it is not kind of applicable for any kind of a service. It's like a journal which you can use it for your cases as required. ठीक है everybody, any doubt, question or sleeping? अरे कोई बता नहीं रहा यार.
Not sleeping.
अच्छा. Let's give a try for this one, new record PDF. Table name LNG training new PDF. On which table it should be applied? Benefit, category, LNG, user criteria. Now we know signature type. It's a ServiceNow signature sign. It is kind of a format given by ServiceNow, something preloaded, or the I can say, what I can say, that by which you can get signed of the employee on this particular system. Attachment type, upload new document or the version. This is what it's saying, asking for the document. Start date, when it is be applicable, template date format, DDMMYY. Language, English, document you need to be uploaded. Same thing which you just saw now. Might be this is something new, so it is not get much explode as of now. And now let's save this. Because there is nothing required for the approval and all the things, you can directly publish it as well. Or you want to do some template mapping. अच्छा नहीं तो उससे generate होगा automatically. And participant, for which it is with there, which you just saw in the previous one as well. So now if I go back here, document templates, click on the document templates and just see this previous PDF one. If you see subject person, this, and it will be there. Did they put anything kind of mapping? I guess no. Oh, there's one mapping, nice. Oh, nice, it's a mapping here. So you can see the mapping like this. So we have to see that which table is containing this mapping, template mapping. But why I'm not getting option here? So now it's getting a PDF preview. Okay, that is good. Means this is more better than what we have done just now. So you can see here. This thing. But why I am not getting option to create the mapping? See, last name, first name, it is coming from this part only. Can you go on the mute if you are not speaking, please? This one. But the question comes that why we are not able to do this mapping. HR templates, LNG new PDF. I'm not able to see the mapping new option here. Let me open this table. If you did not find anything, do this way. Yeah. That is the best way to understand. We'll see how this mapping works and where it has been defined. Okay, it is showing the mapping like this, 11. But why this mapping is not showing on our one? Are we missing something? Template format, template, attachment type, source. I have to see that why this template mapping is not showing in ours one. If I publish it, then I can see. No, me edit it now, because there must be something which can tell that what type of mapping you can put it. Let's see here. Anything on the template might be that is not available on the form level, so we have to be C. No, nothing is showing template mapping. New LNG subject person assigned to. This is again our task. Optional and submit. Still not coming. Okay, I'll check this part why it's not be coming here, because I think it should come, that the mapping should become the way we are able to see in the, let me save this, otherwise I'll look at last. We're able to see here document templates. On this part we can see. See, it is showing here, but not for us. So need to be see that why it is it not showing it. Even we're not allowed to be make a modification here. Translation, active, publish, everything is been done for us. Okay, chalo, no problem. Okay, now let me come back here. Hope things are clear now. Something new, even for me as well. Doubt, question, clarification.
No,
No clear.
it's clear.
Thanks for the confirmation and give me confidence back. Good.
Hello.
Yes, go ahead, please.
Can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so the mainly document is just to share the NDA and other things with the customer, correct? Can
Customer
get it signed
employees.
by
Employees.
employees. Okay, yeah, employees. So is there any chance to get it? Means whenever the employee open that form, it should get automatically signed.
कैसे होगा? Not possible, na? I'm giving you agreement. Let's say you are taking my house on the rent. At least you read one page, right? That your name, date of birth, everything is correct. So that is not a valid point that it should get automatically signed. No. Understanding says that you customer, or sorry, not customer, employee should download it, read it, and sign it.
Okay,
Not
on that frame, we can't do him that he can sign in.
No. I guess you are referring to a question on the ServiceNow community where someone asked that, is it possible without downloading? It can be get saved automatically if I put the signature. No, it's not possible.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
And because you're changing the file, so it will get saved in the system. And it is not on the drive, it is just on the platform. Kind of stuff.
Okay.
So spend a little more time on this one and read about the HR documents. Sorry, not HR, document templates in HRSD, and see that why this mapping is not coming for us. Anybody interested to take a homework for today? Just 1 or 2 questions, I guess. Number 1, to create HTML type documents. Second, to find out that why the mapping is not coming for us on the document template for the PDF type. Any volunteer can put it quickly, it'll be good. Okay, if no other question, let me stop the recording and take a quick attendance now.